Last whole year, 2000, only 2000 four-wheelers were EVs. This year, probably it would be 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Next year, probably 15,000. So the trend has started, but still the numbers are very low. When you are talking about a car battery localization, just to give a perspective, that last whole year, 2000, only 2000 four-wheelers were EVs. This year, probably it would be 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Next year, probably 15,000. So the trend has started, but still the numbers are very low. And when you think of battery in terms of the kind of chart you showed, that cell to module to pack, and when we start targeting cell at this point of time, I think maybe it may not work. We need to think of battery assembly to start with in India. So it means the policy has to be that at least you don't import the battery, you start assembling in India. And when you talk of assembling in India, then you say initially you can do modules, and from modules you can go to cell, because everybody imports cells right now. So if they want to, by the way, okay, so cell also are getting imported from outside. So cells, modules, assembly, and when you do the assembly, you still have a lot of value addition there in terms of battery management system, thermal management system, and there are some localization of components there, cooling pipes or the upper tray, the lower bottom tray, so there are a lot of value addition possibilities, even if you don't import cell. So cell manufacturing, I think, is the last thing in the value chain as far as car batteries are concerned. And by the way, cell for, let's say, a scooter battery will be different from a car battery. And within the manufacturers, the chemistry of the cell is going to be different. So I think it's a very different ball game to start manufacturing a cell here. And when cell we talk about gigafactories. There are 5 big global players in the world who do it. 2 are Koreans, Samsung and LG. 2 are Chinese, CATL and BYD. And 1 is Japanese, Panasonic. So these are 5 top global players. And I think people need to collaborate with them if you want to bring one of these guys to come to India. Or unless Reliance kind of person probably wants to have a gigawatt battery like Elon Musk, and they start supplying exports. And local demand is not going to be there much in the next 5 to 10 years, in my opinion.